Navigate your web browser to store.shimadzu.com. To do a quick order upload, the user must be logged into the store. Click Sign In and Sign In on the upper right corner of the page. A quick order can be done one of two different ways. You can enter a term to search for in the product box, or you can import from an Excel file, searching by part number or part name. Click the quick order link at the top of the site, navigate to the product text box and start typing a part you are searching for. Part names will appear as you search. You can search by part name, part number, and the part description. Once you find the part you are looking for, enter the quantity you need and click Add All to Cart. Import an Excel file. Click the quick order link at the top of the website. Click the button on screen, Import from Excel. If you haven't already done so, please download the Excel file template. Add the appropriate items and quantities you wish to purchase on the Excel sheet and make sure to save it. Navigate to that Excel file you wish to upload and pick that file. Upload the file. Once all items are added to the cart, click Add All to Cart. Unavailable items. If you upload a sheet of items and the items appear red on screen, that means they are unavailable to purchase. Please remove them before attempting to add items to the cart. You may finish adding items to your cart by clicking the Checkout button, or you can click on the Leave button located above the Import from Excel button.